The Loan Advisor Suite is Freddie Mac's new end-to-end technology solution that we've made available to our customers to use throughout the loan origination process to help them understand Freddie Mac's view of risk and eligibility as they're creating loans to be sold on the secondary mortgage market.
As we were building out the Loan Advisor Suite, we quickly recognized that we needed to bring a holistic set of data and analytics around the output of the Advisor Suite.
We wanted a product that is fast, so we wanted the dashboards from a click to take no more than 2 seconds for the customer to see them. We wanted to have interactivity in the dashboards and break away from the norm of static PDFs that are getting emailed out. And the third thing we wanted was BI for everyone, from the executive who wants a nugget of information to an operator who needs the loan level details.
I see MicroStrategy as a platform, not just as a BI or analytics tool. In this world of information overload, the ability to find out if there is something that's useful to me in a timely manner, but in a succinct manner, and just the amount of information I need. And if I want to get to more, I can get to that. But something that sends me an alert saying, hey, some error occurred somewhere in the process, or here's an opportunity that has come up and says, this is about to happen. You know, do you want to capitalize on it, or do you want to take advantage of it? That's the power of MicroStrategy, that as a platform, it has these capabilities like distribution services built in.
And the core functionality is the underlying solid metadata capability, which kind of gives you the object reusability platform and gives you the confidence of single version of truth, rather than having people browse through different individual tools sitting siloed on their desktops.
It's insight that they don't have anywhere else in the process. So this was filling that gap in a way that makes sense to them, is easy for them to understand, and gives them additional information on how to take action.